Good morning and welcome to this episode of the Say Hello to Joe podcast, brought to you by Century Ford and Century Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Mount Airy, Maryland. You know, summertime is right upon us here, and you know, we always talk about used vehicles in the summertime, high school graduates, college graduates, but used cars has really played an important role this year with the new vehicle inventory shortage. And more importantly than that, I want to talk to you today about certified pre-owned vehicles and how important they are and the benefit of those vehicles versus, say, a regular used car that's on the market. So we participate in the Ford Blue Advantage program, which is Ford's certified pre-owned vehicle program, and we also participate in the Chrysler certified pre-owned program at our Chrysler Dodge Jeep store. We feel so strongly about our certified pre-owned vehicles that if you buy a certified pre-owned, factory certified pre-owned vehicle at either one of our locations, we're going to back that up with a 14-day, 1,000-mile money-back guarantee. And that's pretty strong. And I want to tell you why I like a certified pre-owned vehicle over a regular used vehicle. So let's take an example of let's say a 2018 or 2019 Ford Fusion that's been in service for, say, 32 months and it's got 32,000 miles on it. Well, if you went to an independent used car lot to buy that vehicle would have 4 months of warranty or 4,000 miles left of the factory warranty. But if you bought that vehicle here at Century under the Blue Advantage program, under the Gold Certification program, that vehicle comes with a 12-month, 12,000-mile warranty, and it gets the powertrain warranty extended from 5 years, 60,000 miles to 7 years, 100,000 miles. And let's say these cars are only a couple $100 difference in price. Those benefits far outweigh a couple $100. So if you can ever get, if you're in the used car market and you're looking at late model vehicles, you always want to get a factory certified pre-owned vehicle. One, the warranties are better. A lot of times there is finance incentives for those vehicles. 2.9, 3.9, 4.9 factory incentivized rates on used cars. And you know, the other great thing about a certified pre-owned vehicle, especially on the Ford side of things, 172-point inspection that a vehicle has to go through to make the vehicle qualified to be certified. Now, Maryland, you have to Maryland State inspect a used vehicle when you sell it, which is a very stringent inspection policy compared to, say, Virginia or DC. So if a vehicle goes through the Maryland State inspection process and then it actually has to go through a 172-point Ford certification process, a lot of those things are the same, but a lot of them are also different. And you can rest assured that you buy that vehicle, you buy it with confidence that it's a great vehicle. And, you know, if by chance you don't like it, 14 days, 1,000 miles, bring it back and get another one. So that is my tips of the day on used vehicles. Always go for a certified pre-owned if you can get one. Not saying that other vehicles are bad, but they're just peace of mind, late model, bigger warranties, bigger powertrain warranties, a lot of times factory incentive, financing, and you know the vehicle's been checked out, because if it didn't pass, it wouldn't be certified. So thank you very much for tuning into this episode of the Say Hello to Joe podcast. Make sure you like us or give us a review. You can see this podcast on all the major outlets. Have a great summer.